Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to speak about the importance of personalized art and the impact it can have on our lives. Art has the power to evoke emotions, tell stories, and bring people together. When we surround ourselves with art that speaks to us, we create a sense of comfort and identity that cannot be found elsewhere. That is why I am proud to introduce my art business, Art in 9 Minor. At Art in 9 Minor, we specialize in creating original sketch and drawing art. Each artwork is created with care and attention to detail. We believe that everyone should have access to personalized art that reflects their style and personality. Our goal is to create art that brings joy and inspiration to lives. But why sketches and drawings, you may ask? Sketch art and drawings have a unique quality that captures the essence of a subject without overwhelming it with too much detail. They leave room for the imagination to fill in the gaps, creating a sense of intimacy and connection between the viewer and the artwork. Sketch art and drawings are also versatile and can fit into any style of decor, from modern to traditional. At Art in 9 Minor, we pride ourselves on our ability to create original artwork that captures essence and style. We use our expertise to create a piece of art that is unique and meaningful. Our process is simple and straightforward, and we create a sketch or drawing that is personalized by Art in 9 Minor. Once the artwork is complete, we offer framing options to complement the subject matter and enhance its visual appeal. In conclusion, I would like to leave you with this thought. Art is not just a luxury reserved for the wealthy and the elite. Art is a form of expression that belongs to all of us, regardless of our backgrounds or income levels. Art has the power to bring us together, to inspire us, and to remind us of the beauty that surrounds us. At Art in 9 Minor, we are committed to making personalized art accessible to everyone. Thank you for listening.